Hello everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video we had discussed about the identities. We had done the two identities, the use of it, that is x plus a multiply x plus b equals to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is one of the identity which we had done, and we had done the second identity, that is a plus b whole squared, which is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or as I told you, the same identity you can write it as x plus y whole squared, which is x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Now today we will discuss about the next two identities, out of which the first one is a minus b whole squared, that is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, or you can take it as x minus y whole squared, which is equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. So we will first discuss about this identity. Now this identity, it is used if you want to multiply two binomials which are same, multiplying a binomial with itself. For example, suppose you need to multiply say m minus 5 with m minus 5. Now if you see here, both are the binomials and they both are identical, they are same, means you are multiplying a binomial with itself. So this, when we do it, we can write it as m minus 5 whole square, as you have done earlier also, that is a multiply a equals to a squared. The same way, m minus 5 multiplied by m minus 5 equals to m minus 5 whole squared. We can write it like this. Now this m minus 5 whole squared is in the form of a minus b whole squared. So you can use the identity here. Using the identity, we can find the product, or we can expand this. A minus b whole squared equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now if you use this, here a in the identity is replaced with m in the question, and b in the identity is replaced with 5 in the question. Now here the common mistake which students do a lot is b, they take it as equal to minus 5, but actually b is not equal to minus 5, b is equal to 5 only. Reason being, in the identity also there is a sign of minus, and in the question also there is a sign of minus. So this minus and this minus, they will be eliminated, and you will take the value of b as only 5. So using this we can do it. Now a is replaced with m. So a squared means it is m squared minus 2 multiply a multiply b. Now what is a? It is m, and what is b? It is 5. It is not minus 5, it is only 5. Then plus square of b, b is 5, so it is square of 5. So what does this give you? Square of m, it is m squared minus 2 into m into 5, this is 10m, and plus 25. So this is the product, or this is the expansion of m minus 5 whole square. Let us have one more example. Say if you are given 1 upon 2x minus say 4y whole square. 1 upon 2x minus 4y whole square. Now here again, if you compare it with the identity, we are going to use here a minus b whole squared, that is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now when we use this identity, when we are comparing it, the value of a here is replaced with 1 upon 2x, and the value of b in this identity will be replaced with 4y. It is not minus 4y, you will have to take only 4y. So what will it be done now? Using the identity a squared, it is square of half x. A is replaced with half x, 1 upon 2x. So it is square of 1 upon 2x. Then this minus 2. Now multiply a multiply b. So multiply a means multiply 1 upon 2x, and multiply b means you will multiply it with 4y. It is not minus 4y, you have to take it as only 4y. Then this plus and square of b. Now b is 4y, so it will be square of 4y. So this now, taking the square of 1 upon 2x, square of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 4, because square of 1 is 1 and square of 2 is 4. So 1 upon 4, and square of x gives you x squared, minus. Now you have to multiply 2 with 1 upon 2x and further with 4y. So here when you are multiplying, you will multiply it in this way. 2 will be multiplied with 1 upon 2 will be further multiplied with 4, and then you have x and y, so they will also be multiplied. So this is how you have to multiply this, and if you are doing this, then 2 and 2 will be simplified and you are left with only 4xy. So here 2 multiply 1 upon 2x multiply 4y, this will give you 4xy plus, now square of 4y, square of 4y, square of 4 is 16 and square of y is 16 squared. So this is the result what you get. So this is how we use the identity, that is a minus b whole squared equals to a squared minus 2ab and plus b squared. Now here these same identity, if you want, you can even use it to calculate some values also, numerical questions. Now numerical questions, how it will be, that I'll explain you. Suppose you want to multiply 99 with 99, or you say you need to find square of 99. Now square of 99 or 99 multiply 99, you can easily multiply them, you can find the product. But here now we will solve this by using the identity. We are going to use the identity in order to solve it. Now this 99, you can write it as 100 minus 1 whole square. 99 is 100 minus 1. 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. So what we do, we replace 99 with 100 minus 1 and then you have the whole square of it. So here now we will use the identity a minus b whole squared, which is a squared minus 2ab and plus b squared. So using this, if you compare now, this a here in the identity is equal to 100 in the question and b in the identity is equal to 1 in the question. So a will be replaced with 100 and b will be replaced with 1. So what you will write it, a squared. Now this is square of 100 minus 2ab, 2 multiply 100 multiply 1 and plus square of b, that is square of 1. So square of 100 is 100 multiply 100, it will give you 10,000, minus 2 multiply 100 multiply 1, this is 200, and plus square of 1 is 1. So you have to solve this now. Now 10,000 minus 200, this gives you 9,800 and plus 1. So 9,800 plus 1, it gives you 9,801. Now we will move towards the next identity. So the next identity to be used that we will discuss is a plus b multiply a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So where will this identity be used? If you are having a binomial in the form a plus b and you have a second binomial in the form a minus b, means in the two binomials there is only one difference, that is the difference of sign. In one it is positive, in the other it is negative. Then in that case we can use this identity. For example, say if you are having x plus 5 and multiplied by x minus 5. Now here if you see the binomial, the terms they are same, x and x it is identical, 5 and 5 is identical. The only difference is this one sign, that is here it is plus 5 and here it is minus 5. So in this case we can use this identity, and if you are using the identity, in the identity a is replaced with x in the question and the b, the variable b in the identity is replaced with 5 in the question. So this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So here it is square of x minus square of 5, and square of x is x squared and square of 5 is 25. So the product of these two is equal to x squared minus 25. Let's have one more example. If suppose you have 3x upon 4 minus say 2 multiplied by 3x upon 4 plus 2. Now here also if you see, both are identical, only with the difference of sign in between. Here it is minus and here it is plus. So that is not to make any difference whether plus is in the first or minus is first. You will use the same identity, and if you compare the identity, a is replaced with 3x upon 4 and b is replaced with 2. So a squared minus b squared, it is 3x upon 4 whole squared minus, because here in the identity it says minus, so minus will be there, and b is 2, so square of 2. Now square of 3x upon 4, the square is 9x squared upon 16. Square of 3 is 9, square of 4 is 16, and square of x is x squared, and minus the square of 2 is 4. So this is the product. Now similarly this can be used even to multiply the numbers. Suppose you have 98 multiplied by 102. Now if you have this 98 multiply 102, you can see here that this can be written in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Now 98 is written as 100 minus 2 and 102 is written as 100 plus 2. So if you can convert the given numbers in this form, where it is a plus b into a minus b. So this is a plus b, 100 plus 2, and this is a minus b, that is 100 minus 2. Now here you can use the identity, and if you are using the identity, that is a plus b multiply a minus b equals to a squared minus b squared. Now what is a? A is 100. You can see here both the a's, they have the same value 100. And what is b? b is 2. So this will be equal to a squared, that is square of 100, minus b squared, that is square of 2. Now what is square of 100? Square of 100 is 10,000. And what about the square of 2? It is 4. Now 100 minus 4, you can subtract it, and if you subtract 104, you get 9,996. So this is the result. So in this way, we can use the two identities which I have told you today. And as homework, I'll forward you some questions of the exercise 2.5. And if you are having the books, it is well and good. So with the book, you will be doing exercise 2.1, the question number 1, question 2 as homework. Question 1 and 2 you will complete it as homework in your notebooks. We'll meet again. Until then, have a nice day. Thank you all. Jai Hind.